Okie dokie, for this assignment, we are going to be looking at inequalities and equations. So whether two things are equal to each other or not. Because if you look at the word inequality, the prefix in means not. So equality has to do with things being equal. So an inequality is where things are not equal. We have these two symbols. You've probably seen them before. Where this one is greater than. This one is less than. One way I think about it, it kind of looks like an L, just squished a little bit. So that can help you remember that it's less than. Or just remember that it's a little mouth that always wants to eat the bigger number. So if I have some like 7 and 3, I would put it that way because 7 is greater than 3. Wants to eat the 7. So we will get expressions that says, say we get a 3k on one side, and we get a 10 on the other, and I tell you that k is equal to 5. You have to figure out what symbol is going to go in the middle. Well, we know this means 3 times k. 3 times k, or 5, we put that in there. 3 times 5 is 15. So we get 15 on this side. We get 10 on this side. So we know that 3k is greater than 10 when k equals 5. Say I had 4x plus 1 on that side, and I had 3x plus 9 on this side. Now, without knowing what x is, I wouldn't know which one was greater, and it could depend on what x equals. So say x equals 6. Sorry, my pen's being a little funky. So if x equals 6, well, I can figure out what this side is equal to. 4x means 4 times x. I'm going to substitute 6 in, so 4 times 6 plus 1. I multiply first, so 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So I know this side, when x equals 6, is equal to 25. Then I'm going to put 6 in here as well. 3 times x, or 3 times 6, plus 9. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. So I know 25 is less than 27. So 4x plus 1 is less than 3x plus 9 when x equals 6. Okay? Let's take a look at some of the other ones. So again, notice, they're telling you what the variable is equal to. They have an expression on this side, and then in this case, a number on this side. Tell us what k is equal to, expression, number, and you have to complete with the correct symbol. They could be equal to each other. So if that's the case, put an equal sign. Now this one, the expressions just get a little bit bigger. Now we have 2w minus 5 instead of just something like 6k. And that's it. So you're just substituting it in, saying whether it's greater than, less than, or equal to. Notice all of these ones on the bottom, w equals 7. If you still need more help, I am more than happy to help you, as always. Your word today is Harris. Harris is your word for today. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.